Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's not Taco Tuesday, but we are about to make these delicious birria tacos. So what you're going to need for this recipe, you're going to need about 2 pounds of chuck roast, some beef bouillon cubes, and of course all of your peppers and some bay leaves. I'm going to have a list of ingredients in the description box, and I will put the names of the peppers on the screen so you can see, because I'm not about to pronounce it and butcher it. So you want to start off by boiling your peppers, and you just want to boil it for about 5 minutes or so. Make sure you wash them and get all the seeds out beforehand. So while that's doing its thing on the stove, we're going to brown our chuck roast. I already went ahead and seasoned it off camera. You can season your meat however you want to, does not matter. And like I said before, we're just browning it. We're not cooking it all the way through. It's just so we can get some nice color on that meat. So once we're done browning our meat, we're going to check on our peppers. As you can see, it's boiling, and once it starts boiling, you just want to cut off the heat and let that sit there and cool off. Now we're going to go back to our meat, and I am going in with half of the diced onion I cut up. We're going to use the remaining onion to throw on now I'm just going in top of our tacos as garnish. I am going in with some Italian zest from Flavor Gods, garlic and onion powder, some smoked paprika, cinnamon, Italian seasoning, minced garlic, our bouillon cubes, our bay leaves. And if I leave anything out, I will put it in the description box. Now you just want to throw in all of your peppers, and we're also going to go in with 1 chipotle pepper, and we're going to blend that together. Once we've got our peppers blended, we're just going to strain that. If you have a bigger strainer, please use that one. It makes things a whole lot easier. This is all I had, so I had to work with what I had. I will also recommend doubling the amount of peppers I used in this video. I feel like I just didn't have enough, and it didn't give me that heat that I was looking for. But if you don't have a very high heat tolerance, then using the amount I used in this video will be just fine. Now you just want to go in with some beef stock or some water, and we're going to give everything a good mix, and we're going to turn on our pressure cooker, and we're going to let this cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. This is what it looks like after about 35-40 minutes. You see everything is just nice and tender. So I'm just going to take some of that meat out, and I'm going to shred that up. And I am also going to take some of that broth out so I can use some of that to fry my tortillas in. At this point, everything is self-explanatory. You just dip your tortilla and fry it up on your pan. Once everything is nice and crispy, you want to add your cheese and your meat. So once you've made the desired amount of tacos, you just plate them up, add your onions and cilantro on top, and don't forget to add your extra broth in a ramekin or a bowl. And now you can officially dig in. Don't forget to dunk your tacos into that broth. And that is it. That is how you make birria tacos. And I'm probably butchering the name, but y'all get what I'm saying. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.